Hi guys, welcome to TDCi. Today I have a 67 plate Ford Transit Custom. It's got a sports pack on it, a body kit, lovely body kit on it. It's in white, 17 plate 67 reg. Do a quick walk around video of the vehicle. It's got alloy wheels, nice bit of kit. On the store for you. These sort of vans are not abused, being well looked after, plenty of paperwork. This van is awaiting prep. It will go for our inspection, get service if it's due a service, MOT if it requires one. It's got rear parking sensors. The alloys will get refurbished. Like I said, the alloys will get done. Low mileage example for a van. Loads of storage, loads of cup holders, electric mirrors. It's got 124,990 on the clock. Auto lights. Show you something when I go around on this side. Plenty of cup holders. And if you pop this open, you've got more cup holders as well. Armrest. And if you like the view of this vehicle, this van, please give us a shout. Visit our website. The WhatsApp button in the top right corner just pings it straight over to my phone. Arrange a view and a test drive for yourself.